many trans, many athletes, many successful female teams. 8th grade, that was my last success in sports. And there were two paths. One was Christian nationalist, rape apologist, ban. The other was feminist, egalitarian, unitarian, fag accepting. What I supported, what I did support. Very horny for some. You sacrifice a little bit as a male to the Christian nationalist. That was Peter. There was Otto, which I shouldn't have been part of. I shouldn't be enslaved to that. I don't know if the mechanics are hiring right now, any mechanical job, any machinery place, if they're hiring right now, just give me a call up. Put your money where your mouth is. There was Peter, that was liberal, and that's not how his speeder was run. I should not have done it that way. There's also art, year of art, and theater as a straight white male in theater, it did not work out. One of my heroes is, I'll talk about